Amiji, you've already written the book Why Are We This Way, which is a kind of a guide for us. If we have to explore Sanatan Dharma, where do we start from?
We look at Indic scriptures in two categories, the Shruti and the Smriti. Shruti is what we call the Ved Upanishads. Why Shruti? Because we believe that the wisdom in the Shrutis, that is the Vedas, is not something that one writer or a composer has created. This wisdom was always there. Not in the sense of the Abrahamic revelation that God is giving it. No, we are saying this wisdom is there. The rishis became a medium to access that wisdom and bring it to everybody. The Smriti texts are meant to transform these learnings, or rather to bring these learnings to the larger mass to help them live their daily lives.
But if a person who just wants to explore the most basic text,
I would say start with the Itihas or even the Puranas work. For others, like say Ayurveda or even Yoga Sutras and stuff, you need to be really interested in that specific topic. And you need to then also, for Ayurveda especially, you just can't sit and do it. I mean, you can read the text, but it's always good to have a guide.
Yeah.
Itihas, you can do it even without that. It's accessible to anybody. Even Purans are accessible to anybody. So I think Itihas Puran is a good point to start. If I have to go even a level above that, I would say Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is from the Mahabharata, but for Bhagavad Gita, we say that it is the essence of all the Upanishads. So the Vedanta part of it, right? Bhagavad Gita has an essence of the entire Vedantic worldview along with Sankhya and along with Yoga. So it covers those darshanas as well. But on page 8 and 9 of the book, I've given a table. So at least get a sense of this. I feel like as Hindus, we should at least know so much, because we love to say that, oh, we don't have one book, we have a library of books. But if anybody asks us that what is that library, kuch nahi malum, right?
Yeah.
I feel like you don't know, get into the depth of it, but get a feel of it. That much, if nothing else, it will make us a lot more confident in our Hindu identity.